Good afternoon, Brandon here from BeastMode Trading. I hope you guys all had a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. This is a trading recap of the week before Christmas, starting off December 21st. I just want to give you guys a snippet to see how we did on this week. Typically, half days we recommend not to trade, but we're going to walk through and see how the system did today. It was not perfect this week. We're able to finish green, and what more could you ask for extracting a green bag at the end of the week? So I don't want to take too much of your time. Let's dive in here. This is the 21st. We took calls here, and we got a nice winner. We actually set a trail stop right there and ended up getting stopped out up there. So in this trade, we got a little bigger than our 1-to-1. We got more so like a 2-to-1 or 2.5-to-1. But anyway, we're 1-0. We get a momentum shift to the downside. We take our puts right here. Here was our stop out, and it came within a couple cents of our 1-to-1. We locked it in right there. We're 2-0. And then we got our third signal right here. Stop out was right there and went on to hit our 1-to-1. We are 3-0 on Monday. A lot of folks took those three trades and they stopped for the week, so they were real happy. But let's go fast forward to Tuesday. We are 3-0. And we do lose, and that's why we preach risk management. You are not going to be successful until you use proper risk management, in my opinion. So we're 3-0 right now. We take our first red arrow right there, stop outs right up here. We failed to close above this and went on and hit our 1-to-1 right down here. So we entered here. It retraced against us. We thought we may take a loss on it, and then it rolled back over. We know that over the long haul, we have about an 80% statistical probability to get a winner. Right now, at that winner, we are 4-0 on the week, 100%. We know that a loser should be coming up here sooner than later because we can't sustain a 100% win rate. So we are 4-0 right now. We get a momentum shift to the upside. We don't get nothing. We get a momentum shift to the downside. We take puts right here. Here would be our stop out. We got violated right there, and then we get into a call situation right there, and our stop out is right there, and goes up to be a winner. So we are, what were we, 3-0, 4-0. Here's a loser, 4-1, and then followed by a winner. We're 5-1, and then after those trades for the day, if you kept on trading like we do the recap, then we'll see we got a momentum shift to the downside. We would have taken puts right there. Our stop out would have been right up here. And look what happened. Got stopped out for a loser. So we were 3-0, 4-0, 4-1, 5-1. We're 5-2 right now in 2 trading days. We do know following a loser, the next trade has a highly probable situation to get a winning trade from. You would have taken calls here and look at the movement that we got went in our favor. So typically when it fakes us out, obviously it fakes us out because the trend has changed, and we wait for our first pullback and look what happens. But it's after 12 o'clock, so unfortunately we did not take that. 3-0. Just real quick, we're 3-0, 4-0, 4-1, 5-1. We're 5-2. All right, we're 5-2 in 3 trading days. Then this brings us up to in 2 trading days, and then we get another. We're 5-2. We get another situation where we take calls right here. In this first blue arrow, our stop out was down here, and it ended up hitting our target eventually up here. So if you would have held this trade for a while, it would have went on to been our target. Meanwhile, we are 5-2. That was a nice call trade, but then look, it almost stopped you out. So it did not close below our line in the sand, but then we got a momentum shift to the downside, and we got a put signal right there. So there's some folks that closed this call out and took this short for a loss. There's other folks that held on to that call because it never hit their stop out and ended up taking a winner out of it. Here we got a put trade. Here was our stop out, and it went down to hit our 1-to-1, and you got a winner on the put trade. And then we get a momentum shift to the upside We get a call signal again right here. Here's our stop out. Came within a couple cents of our 1-to-1. We set a trail stop, locked it in. So we got 2 winners while we're still in that trade right there. And then we are in a momentum shift to the downside. Then we are back in an uptrend. We take calls here again. Here's our stop out and goes on and hits our target right there. So on this day, say you took a loss here, 0-1, 1-1, 2-1, and you would be 3-1 right here, right before our 12 o'clock cutoff. So if you held on to this trade, you would have went 4-0 today, but we're just going to say, we'll just say we took a loss on it. So we'll go 3-1. So we are 5-2, 6-2, 7-2, 8-2. We are 8-3 right now in 3 trading days. And then that brings us into the half day where we recommend not to trade, but if you do, you'd still trade exactly the same way, you know. I'm going to clear these lines. And if you traded in the room with us, we took calls here and our stop out was down here. We had a target of about 80 cents and it came to about 72 cents. We took a winner right there. And then we also took, we also got a momentum shift to the downside right here. We took puts when this red line, stop outs right there, and went in our favor. So we got 2 winners today on this half day. So even if you didn't trade, you were up for the week. But just say you did trade all week long, like we do in our back test, you would have went 2-0 on this day. And real quick, I forget what we were for the week. So we're 2-0 on this day. Go back real quick. 2-0, 2-0, 3-0, 4-0, 5-0. We'll count this one as a loss. 5-1. 5-1, 5-1, 5-2. We would have taken this one 5-2, 6-2. We would have taken this one for a loss 6-3, and we would have taken this red one for a winner 7-3. And then it brings us to the 21st, which I believe was Monday. 7-3, we said. We take these calls 7-3, 8-3. We would have taken these puts right there, 8-3, 9-3, and you would have taken this call right here, 10-3. So 10-3 on the week. If you've taken every single signal, you got those first. This is the Friday before. So 10-3 for the week. Not a bad week if you've taken every single signal. If you took the first 3 winners on Monday and Tuesday and stopped, then you were perfect. But you traded the system 10-3. So we do 10 divided by 13. 76% win rate. Wasn't a great week, but it was definitely a profitable week. Another green bag. We were able to extract money as a team, and that's what matters the most. So I make these videos to instill confidence in your belief system and show you that we can make money scalping. The problem with scalping with our strategy is you gotta basically take most of the signals, you know. You can't just come in one day and not trade it, and then the next day take a loser, and then next 2 days not trade it and miss all the winners. So if you're serious about trading and you want to join our team, what we do, we run a live chat room where we share our signals in live markets. We have an awesome community. It's slowly growing. The slow and steady always win the race. So if this is something that you like to do, then reach out. On top of our day trading, we also have OTC swing trades. We also have normal blue chip stock swing trades, and we also sell options as well. So we do all that inside of our Discord. And if you are interested in any of that, I recommend locking it in and join the team. We're very good at what we do. Well, hey, I appreciate you guys. Thank you for your time. You guys have a blessed weekend, and we'll see you guys next week on the short week. Hey, Beast Mode out.